Hi, in this video I am going to show you a brief introduction and overview of HP DeskJet 2700 all-in-one series printer. So let's see. There are three sections available in this video. So let's see first one, which is top and front view of the printer. Each part of the printer is indicated through numbers for better understanding. Here you can see on the screen. Number 1 represents paper with guide. You can see in this description. And number 2 represents input tray. Number 3 represents input tray shield. 4 scanner lid. 5 scanner glass. 6 input tray extender, also known as tray extender. 7 output tray. 8 cartridges, and 9th cartridge SS door, and 10th control panel. Let's see back view of the printer, where you can find two sections. First one is power connection for inserting power cable, and 2 for USB port. Now let's move to the second section of this video, which is control panel features and overview of buttons and lights. Here you can see on the screen each of the part of the control panel is represented through numbers for better understanding. So let's see in detail. Here you can see on the screen, number 1 represents power button, 2 control panel detail and display, and 3 ink alert light, 4 cancel button, and 5 resume button, as well as it also works as resume light. For more detail you can read the details on screen. Number 6 for wireless button and wireless light. Number 7 information button, it also contains information light. And number 8 start copy color button, and 9 start copy black button. Now let's see third section of this video, where we will see control panel display icons. So let's see in detail each icon what indicates. So this icon, which looks like 8, number 8, this is number of copies icon, that how many copies you want to print with the printer. And second icon, which this icon, this is error icon, indicates a warning or an error. And third icon, which is look like paper, it is paper error icon, indicates a paper related error. Now let's move next icon, which is this one. This is called wireless status icon, shows the status of a wireless connection. And now let's move to the next icon, which is Wi-Fi direct icon, indicates the connection Wi-Fi direct status. Now let's see next icon, which is this one. This is called instant ink icon, indicates the printer is enrolled in the HP instant ink replacement service. If blinking, that indicates an HP instant ink warning or an error. And the last icon, which is this one, this is called ink level icons. The left ink icon shows the estimated ink level of the tricolor cartridge, and the right shows the estimated ink level of the black cartridge. That's all. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are facing any issue, please reach out to us by clicking on the link which is available in video description for any help.